Okay, a good day to you. Welcome to another lesson on mathematics. We are still going to continue with mathematics. In our last lesson, I showed you how to change from base 10 to other bases. And today, I want to show you how to change from other bases to base 10. I'm going to start with an example. Given 1, 2, 3, 4, which is in base 5. Given 1, 2, 3, 4, which is in base 5, and you are required to change it to base 10, and you are required to change it to base 10. How do you do it? You say, you take the first number, you multiply it by 5. So you are going to say 1 times 5. Then you take the second number, again, you multiply it by 5. Then you plus here. You multiply by 5, then you plus the next number. You multiply by 5, then you plus the next number. So it's going to be plus 2 multiplied by 5. And then you take the next number, you multiply by 5. Whenever I am taking, you have to be careful where to put a plus and where to put a times. Whenever I'm going to the next number, I plus. When I am multiplying, then I multiply by the base. When I'm going to the next number, I plus. So this is plus 3 multiplied by 5. Then I go to the next number. Whenever I go to the next number, I plus. Plus 4 multiplied by 5. Then you are not done. Then starting from the left, I am going to put powers only on the base. I'm going to put powers. Which one was our base? Our base was 5. I was multiplying by 5, 5, 5, 5. Now I'm going to put powers on those bases, but I start from the left. I start with 0, 1, 2, 3. If there are more numbers there, 5, 6. If there are more numbers on the left, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So I start from the left, starting from 0, not 1. You start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then now I need to simplify this one, which is equals to 1. And what is 5 to the power of 3? 5 to the power of 3, we know from exponents, it means 5 times 5 times 5, not 5 plus 5 plus 5. It's 5 times 5 times 5, not 5 times 3. 5 times 5 times 5, which is equals to what? 125. Plus 2, I'm removing the powers now. 5 squared. 5 squared is equals to 25. Plus 5, 5 to the power of 1. Plus 3 times 5, 5 to the power of 1 is 5. Plus 4, and what is 5 to the power of 0? 5 to the power of 0 is not 0, it's 1. 5 to the power of 0, any number to the power of 0 is equals to 1. We did that when we were doing what? Exponents. Then you simplify. What is 1 times 25 is 1. 1 times 125 is 125. Plus 2 times 25 is what? It's 50. Plus 3 times 5 is what? It's 15. Plus 4 times 1 is what? It's 4. Then I add these numbers. I will get 194. And we are saying this number now is in base 10. If you use the ladder method to change this number into other bases, you will see you will get 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to do it, you do it using the method that we did in the previous video. Another one. This time given number 2. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, which is in base 2. Given 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, which is in base 2. And you want to change it to be in base what? In base 10. We are going to do the same thing, which is equals to, you take the first number, you multiply by what? By 2. So I will say 1 times 2. You take the second number, you multiply again by what? By 2. Plus 1 times 2. The third number, again you multiply by what? By 2. Plus 1 times 2. The next one, again you multiply by what? By 2. Plus 0 times 2. The next one, again you multiply by what? By 2. And the last one, again you multiply by what? You multiply by 2. Now this time I need to put the powers on what? On the base, which is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. I need to put the powers. And I said you start from the left. You start from the right. Did I say left? I don't know my side. You start from the last number. I said start from the left, which was wrong. You start from the right, left and right. Sorry about that. So you start from the right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is equals to 1. 2 to the power of 5, it means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And what is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is now what? 8. 8 times 2 is now what? 16. 16 times 2 is now what? 32. So it's 1 times 32 plus up to 4, it's 16. 1 times 16 plus 1 times up to 3, it's 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 8. I said any number to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. No, there is 0 here. Plus 0 times 1, which is going to be 32 plus 16 plus 16 plus 8. This gives me 0. This gives me 0. And that one also gives me what? 0. Because 0 times any number is 0, which is equals to, if I add this, I get, what do you get? 8 plus 2, 0 plus 6, it's 6, 3, 4, 5, 56. To base 10. That's how you, to base 10. That's how you change from base, from base 2 to base 10. This is your answer. Now, you pause the, I'm going to give you the homework now. The work, there is the work. You pause the video, you do the exercise. When you are done, there are your answers. There's the answers. There are your answers. Thank you for watching and enjoy your